My name's Geraint Thomas from the Gutter Centre. If you want to find out the best way to install Skyline Aluminium coping, please watch our video. When ordering Skyline Aluminium coping, it's essential to measure the finished wall thickness to determine the appropriate size of coping needed. In our video, the wall thickness is 300mm, so we should choose the size 271 to 300mm, which will provide an overall coping width of 362mm. This guarantees that a 31mm dimension is preserved from the external wall surface finish to the external face of the coping. Begin by installing a minimum of 18mm marine ply to the wall structure. After that, a waterproof membrane must be applied on top, overlapping by at least 30mm. Ensure that your wall and any cavity are completely closed and waterproof before installing any coping. Start by laying out all the coping corners. We then take a corner and insert the fixing straps halfway into both ends, keeping the EPDM strip centered. Mark the coping fixing straps in place, ensuring a 10mm gap from the bracket's inside return edge to the external wall surface finish. We offer a spacing tool, as shown in this video, to help maintain the correct gap. The fixing straps can now be secured with a minimum of 4 number 12 by 50mm screws using the outer slots. A helpful tip is to use a set square to ensure all straps are fixed squarely, making it easier to attach the coping later. Additional half brackets should be used for both corners and piers. The first fixing point should always be a maximum of 40mm from the external wall finish. More screw fixings will be necessary on wider fixing brackets. Our coping corner can now be secured in place by hooking the front edge onto the fixing straps, then rolling it back while gently pressing down on the back edge, which compresses the EPDM seal on the bracket for a secure fixing. Now proceed towards the next junction, fixing straps at a maximum of 1.5m centres, or as recommended based on wind uplift calculations or coping size. A string line can also be utilised to help align the brackets and ensure a straight line. It's crucial that all copings maintain a 3 to 4mm expansion gap between each joint. We utilised a shim to ensure a consistent gap. The final section of coping will need to be cut on site for a proper fit. Please refer to our separate video for tips on achieving the best cut. A closed end is utilised when the wall is left open-ended. When the coping meets a wall, we can provide an upstand that you can then dress with lead into the building. The upstand shown in this video features a right-hand closed end with infill plate, which is applicable when the coping aligns with the wall at the same elevation. Our standard range of Skyline Aluminium coping components includes 3m lengths, angles, stop ends, T-junctions and upstands. Additionally, we offer bespoke fabrication for challenging site details. With a selection of 29 rail colours available as standard and lead times of 5 to 10 working days for most coping products, we have all your coping requirements covered. For further information or assistance, please reach out to us on 0330 223 1731 or email us at sales@guttercentre.co.uk.